Welcome to Södersen. Södersen is a placemaking project. And placemaking is about creating and activating places with the people and the community that live around that place. And here in that case, we are in Platsen, which is a public space, a park, in the neighborhood of Söder in Helsingborg. And the idea here that we work with the different association, groups, and even individuals to create different activities and projects that activate the space to make the whole neighborhood safer and more attractive and more thriving for the people who live here. So that's it.
Det är jättefint, jättemysigt. Man får en julkänsla. Speciellt här i söder så har man så tycker man att det är mångkulturellt från olika kulturer, vilket är jättetrevligt och jättefint.
So when I started the community alphabet journey, my project was a bit different from what I have ended up doing. What I focused on was what we learned is around how to understand the local assets, what already exists, and how can we build on that to build our approach for community building. So we have decided to work with the stakeholders that we work with all the time, which are the local associations, and I think these are the main assets in our community approach here in our project. So we have worked with them on a capacity building project and also using the same methods and approaches we have experienced at the community alphabet when it comes to peer learning and reflection, and help them also build that kind of capacity to improve both our work but also their own work in the local community.
It feels great to be outdoor. It allows us to create a connection with the neighborhood, with the people who live in. During the winter, we are mostly indoors, studios or other indoor places, and you cannot feel the city, its rhythm. But now, during the summer, we are out and we feel how the heart of city beats.
We're a circus school in Helsingborg. We started around a year ago. We have acrobatic, luft acrobatic, juggling, spinning the plates, hula hoops, and many other stuff.